Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to use egg and avocado and other natural yet very effective homemade remedy to achieve a glowing and a spotless skin and also a younger looking skin. Okay, all over your body you can use this, on your face, on your hands, your foot. You can actually use this and achieve a very sweet chocolatious skin. Let me take you right into this video without wasting any time. So we're gonna be making use of potato. Okay, in this guys, potato is actually one of the ingredients that is actually very important that you do not need to skip. Okay, so potato is a great remedy that contains a lightening property, and the starch in it helps to lighten up your skin. If you're having a dark patches, potato is actually going to help you gradually to fade it off, and it also fades dark spots. Yeah. So what we're going to do is that we're going to first of all peel the potato. Now after peeling it, then we're going to be grating it. Now I would love to do that in a circular motion, okay, because it helps the grating tiny, yeah. Or otherwise, if you have a small blender, you can actually blend this. Okay, so to get the juice out, since I actually grated it, you have to put a little water. That's if you grate your own potato, you have to put a little water, but if you blend it, you would not be needing the water because there's enough juice in potato. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get a strainer. And then I'm going to be straining this out. Alright, so here I have this, and I'll have to be keeping it for the starch to settle down, and after that then I'll come to sieve out the juice out, and then use a little bit of the starch and also a little bit of the juice so that the juice won't be too much. Yeah, so I have to keep it aside. Carrots. Now carrots is a great remedy for the skin. It helps for a large pores, it makes the skin tight, and it also makes the skin really glowing. Yeah, so using carrots on the skin alongside with natural ingredients is going to help to, you know, vanish any sagginess and any wrinkles. Okay, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna first of all we're gonna peel the carrots. Okay, but of course if you don't want to peel your carrots, it's still okay guys. Yeah, but for me, I love to peel the peel because I bought my carrots in a local market, okay, in a farm market. So I have to be grating the carrot also, okay, because we need it grated. So after creating this also, I'll be putting in just a little bit of water. Now that is actually because I grated the carrots, yeah. So actually I'll have to be, I'll get a strainer and another bowl. Alright, so this is the carrot juice that I have. Now I'll also have to be bringing in the potato and then sieving it out. So you see the starch and a little bit of the juice. So I'm actually going to be turning the juice in first, and then I'll then be taking the starch. The starch is actually really much here. I will be putting it in the carrot juice. So I have to take a little bit of the carrot juice and then melt away the starch in this other bowl. Alright, for this we're also going to be making use of aloe vera. Okay guys, so you can either use your fresh aloe vera or you can use a processed 100% aloe vera. Now aloe vera is a great moisturizing agent to the skin. It helps so much to remove age-related problems such as wrinkles and as well as fine lines. It also helps to moisturize and remove a dry skin, a saggy skin, leaving your skin looking really young. Okay, so this is how I'm going to be removing the peel of this aloe vera. Okay, so it's as simple as that, guys. So what I'll do, I'll have to be grabbing my grater and then grate this so that I would have to get all of the juice out of this little aloe vera. Alright, so after doing that, then I will have to mix it really well. Mix very well with all other ingredients. We're going to be making use of is olive oil. Now you need olive oil for this remedy so that your skin would look really smooth and glass, polished, like it's going to look really glossy and removing fine lines. Yeah, so I'm going to be putting half teaspoon of that into this mix. Now you do not need to put too much of it, okay? Just a little of it would go a whole long way. And now the last ingredient is egg. Now egg is a great remedy that tightens up the skin and leaves the skin super duper young and glowing. Your skin looks super duper young. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna break open the egg and then I'll pour in a little of this egg whites. Now time to stir really good. So you have to stir. Now for this ingredient, you can actually use it on your face 4 times in a week to actually glow your skin. You can also decide to use it 2 times or once in a week, okay, because it's great. It is really great. Now because of the egg whites, you don't need to store this ingredient because it's going to go bad. Alright, so here is the egg and aloe vera mix that I just finished mixing, and what I did, I actually had to go and put it in the refrigerator for it to give me that coolness. okay, so that when I apply it onto my face, it's gonna be really effective. Now what I did is that I actually washed my face. You can see I just washed my face. Now you have to dab your face with water, or you just pour water on it to make it soft, so that when this treatment actually lands on your face, it would really get into your skin and do the job. Okay, so what you do also, you would have to be stirring it to mix the starch. Okay, so I've just stirred it, and then let's apply it onto the skin. Okay, now you have to apply a generous amount of this. About 3 coats of it is gonna be very okay. Okay, so now the first coating, this is the first coating. Now after you've applied the first coating, then you can actually leave it for like 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds you would be applying the second coating. Now I'll tell you why you need to apply the second coating and the third coating. So let's do that. Let's apply the second coating. Alright, so the second coating is successfully applied, and now the reason why you need to apply the second and third coating is so that when it dries, this is actually going to help you really tighten up your skin, because when you just leave the first coating, you're not going to be able to like peel it off, which when you peel it off, you're going to be peeling all of those whiteheads, blackheads, and age spots and pimples. Okay, you're going to be peeling it off. Like, those pimples are not just going to like peel off, like off completely, but it's going to get faded. Anytime you apply this and peel it off or wash it off, it's going to get faded, and before you know it, all of them are gone. So let's apply the third one, which is actually very important, because it's not making it thick enough for the treatment, yeah, to work. Okay, all right. So do not apply under your eye, because the under eye is very soft. I'm actually not going to be peeling mine off. I'm just going to be washing it. You can do either of those. You can peel it off or you can wash it. Okay, anyone, it's perfect. It's still okay. All right, so that's why I apply it under my eye. Basically, I like to apply all of this soft treatment under my eye, so that it just blends, like it blends my face. Okay, because most people experience this darkness around here, so I just apply it, especially when it comes to soft and tender treatments like this. I will just apply it. So after which you've waited for it to dry, you can peel it off or you can wash it off. Then you follow suit by using the toilet soap, and after that you use a mild cream. Repeat this as often as you can, and you're going to see. So that's it, guys. You just scrub out all of those dead skin cells and get a fresher, a newer, and a more brighter skin. Now the thing is that when the dead skin cells are off your face, your skin is actually going to get lighter. It is not like you brightening or lightening or whitening your skin. It is a natural thing that when all of those things go off, your skin becomes lighter and it becomes younger. Yeah, that's it. So I'll see you soon in my next video. If you do love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. And bye, guys.